got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh, baby.
Hey everyone, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 20. So for Vlogmas Day 20, I'm simply just going to be doing a grocery haul that is hosted by Tiffany from Small Town 6 and Jessica Myros over at Jessica Myros. In today's video, I'm doing a grocery haul for the month of December. So we are on Christmas break as of the 16th. And so basically when you guys see this video, I'm already 4 days into my Christmas break. So I wanted to show you guys some of the things that I got that we, as a family of 3 during Christmas break, like to get from the grocery store to keep us occupied food-wise. Because Charles works, he's mostly not here during the holiday break because he doesn't get the same days off that we do as teachers. And then of course the kiddos are on the same schedule that I am. So anyways, be sure to check out the playlist linked in my description box down below. Okay, so this is what I've gotten. I want to go ahead and start to share with you guys. I got a bunch of TV dinners so that we could have those for either lunch or dinner while we're on break. So we have the Salisbury steak, the chicken fried rice, the fettuccine alfredo with chicken and broccoli. I don't know about any of you. Do you guys find yourself buying the same things over and over when you guys go to the grocery store? I know that I do. Sometimes I do get a little extra and say, you know what, I haven't had that in a while, I will get it. So I do. I bought that new chicken for Charles to try. He did not really like it. We got the Marie Callender's birthday cake pie, which is amazing. We got the strawberry Eggos, the mini cinnamon Eggos, the French toast stick waffles, and then the toaster sticks, and then we have the chocolate chip Eggo waffles. I thought that the kids would like those, especially with like when not having milk. We got the cauliflower florets. I like to put those in my air fryer. I also picked up some Simply Steam broccoli and cheese sauce. That is amazing. Got some pepperonis. I'm gonna make some pizzas over Christmas break. And then we got the burritos. I like to get the bacon, egg, and cheese ones, but I also bought one of the egg, cheese, and sausage ones for Charles to try. And then those go into the microwave for like 1:30. I got a green bell pepper. I got some baby cucumbers, provolone cheese, got some catfish nuggets. I really want to make these. And then I got some pork chops for $5.45. I definitely love finding reduced items. We got the steakums, and then we got the Hot Pockets cheddar and cheese, ham and cheese. We got the pierogies, which are my favorite. We got biscuits, crescent rolls, heavy whipping cream. Y'all, I want to really try this out. This is roasting with red onions. Onions, red potatoes, carrots, and zucchini. I also got the Caesar chopped salad. I don't particularly care for this one as it is really small. I like the regular one. And then we got the French bread pepperoni pizzas. This came in an 8-pack. I did pick this up on clearance to put to the side for next year, and this as well. And so I did grab some toaster treats, unicorn cake batter flavor, and then I did grab some of the regular toaster treats, which is the blueberry, the cherry, and the strawberry for the kids. I also got the Pop-Tart Bites and strawberry, as Cam is always looking for breakfast foods. We got the yakisoba teriyaki beef noodles. These are my favorite to have for lunch or even for dinner if I'm not really hungry. Got 1 box of the turkey flavoring left over, and then I did go ahead and get the Christmas tree brownies and the Christmas tree cakes. These ones are the huge ones this year. I picked up some candy canes, some Ghirardelli peppermint bark, and then we got the Ghirardelli white chocolate sugar cookie pieces. We got the butter flavor syrup. I got 2 things of mashed potatoes. I did go ahead and pick up 2 things of the pizza crust mix, as like I said, the kids love to make pizzas. We got the mini Doritos in both flavors. They are amazing, smaller. Cream of chicken soup, evaporated milk, and then I picked up 2 air fresheners for $1.79 each as they were on sale because fall is now over. And then I also picked up the yolk the butter noodles basically, and then I got the veggie straws, 2 bags of pretzels. These were on sale for $1.79 as long as you bought 4, so I mean 3, so I did buy all 3. Got the almonds and walnuts, and then the cashews. And so I got 2 tomatoes. I got the cinnamon applesauce, the pear unsweetened applesauce, as well as tomatoes, and then Nutty Buddy bars, chocolate flavored donuts. Got the crescent rolls, or the croissants as you guys can want to say. Got some little smokies, 2 Lunchables as the kiddos are always hungry. We got the chicken broth, the spaghetti sauce, and the 4-pack of the Starbucks Frappuccinos. I like to buy these and split these with Chuck. So I also got the Sunkist Berry Lemonade. And so here I did get a Walmart pickup where I picked up the Vermont white cheddar cheese. You got the other one. We got the Lunchables with the pizza, the bacon, egg, and cheese, toaster strudels, the strawberry and the strawberry and cream cheese flavored ones. So I picked up a cantaloupe, Grand's biscuits. Oh guys, at the end of this video you will see me use that Grand's biscuit to just clearly make some Christmas cinnamon rolls. And so I got some Hidden Valley Ranch, I got cheese, a whole pineapple, drumsticks, lemons. I picked up this, I'm gonna give to Charles. I got some cloves whole, I got the all just gravy, and then some more spaghetti sauce. I got an apple, an orange, 2 pears, ginger root, and I wanted to do some juicing with those. Got the sausage gravy, got the evaporated milk, and then I also picked up the Bush's baked beans and maple flavor. Got another can of cream of chicken, I've been keeping that on hand. This is one of my go-tos, rice with chicken and vegetables, another evaporated milk, roasted turkey because I will be making a turkey for Christmas, and then we got the oatmeal cream pies, the cosmic brownies, as well as the toasted graham Starbucks flavored Keurig pods. I also picked this up for Cam. It is Captain Crunch, and got 2 more of the turkey flavoring, as that'll be for Christmas as well. Went ahead and got some Vienna sausage, some more chicken broth, and then some macaroni noodles, and I did pick up some English muffins, 2 things of frosted cookies. I don't really see my kids going through those, but I don't know what I was thinking. The oyster crackers, the 10-pack of Funyuns, and then I did pick up a large thing of eggs, as well as the rice cakes. These are all our favorites. I did pick up 2 to 4 cucumbers, as like I said, I want to do some juicing, and I picked up the mild pork sausage, and then the better with cheddar hot dogs, the ultimate Caesar salad kit you guys have got to get, apple pie, chocolate chip cookie dough, ice cream, blueberries, got the dinner rolls, got the strawberries, and I got the celery, and like I said, I got some more cucumbers. Didn't realize how many I bought, but that's okay, and the red cabbage. So I do plan on showing you all at the end of this video my quick Christmas decorated cinnamon rolls, but I also wanted to show you guys a juicing recipe that I used with the cucumbers and the apples and the lemons. Okay, so let's get ready to do juice number 1. Like I said in the first part of the video, I had a bunch of fruit that I bought in order to do the juicing, as well as like some veggies. So I do have pineapples, I have lemons, I have cucumbers, and I also have some kiwi, red cabbage, and some strawberries. I also have carrots, and I'm not going to be using everything, but I did grab this bag. Go ahead and kind of like grate the carrots to take like the peel off. One thing is definitely like make sure all of your fruit is washed off before using. So just gently run it under some water. Go ahead and peel off that carrot peel from where they're in the bag or straight from the store. So idea number one for your juicing is to do a red cabbage juice along with cucumbers and lemons. So you will need a whole head of the red cabbage. You can choose to put half in if you don't want it to be so tar, but if you choose to put the whole head of cabbage in like I did, it's definitely going to be tar and you're not really going to like it as much because you really will not be able to taste the lemons or the cucumbers. So what you want to do is just go ahead and slice your head of cabbage into half and then half again, and just go ahead and slice down into strips. Your cucumbers can easily be cut into half, or you can go ahead and just cut the ends off and put it in the juicer that way. And your lemons, we are going to take the peel off, so we'll go ahead and slice the ends off and then peel around the outside edges. So you all see here that I'm putting the red cabbage in first to go ahead and get that out of the way because so many little pieces were left over on the counter. I will say some tips for the red cabbage is that one, the color of your drink is going to be majority purple. Tip number two is shred as much as you can into your cup and then dump it into a bigger cup, because this is not just going to be something that can easily be poured into one cup. I do have some reusable bottles that I did order from Amazon as well that I am going to be putting these in. And so the cabbage was not hard at all to get to juice. I think what was hard was the fact of like having the small cup and having to pour it into something bigger and then to keep going and keep restarting. So I did have to do this at least like 2 or 3 times, the dump, because the cabbage was so thick in how much juice came out that I needed to take it out and fill it into the bigger one, just like I said, about 2 to 3 times. Another great tip is that the cucumber, no matter how you do it, is still going to juice the way that you want it to. So whether you decide to cut the cucumber in half, whether you decide to chop it into pieces, it's still going to juice correctly and it's going to produce a lot of juice. As you guys can see, one cucumber makes that much juice that I needed to add into this bowl. So I also am going to go ahead and cut those ends off of the lemon and then just slice around. Even if you leave a little bit of the outside of the lemon on there, that's fine. The juicer will catch it and it will go into the back compartment and the juicing will go towards the front. So that is 2 lemons worth. I think I should have done 3 just because the cabbage outweighed the lemons and the cucumbers. Alright, so here are the adorable cups that I, like I said, got off of Amazon. I love that I can wash these, reuse them, and keep it moving. I also can put these in the refrigerator. I don't have to worry about them breaking. The only thing about these is in the summertime, do not leave them in your car filled up with any type of liquid because they will expand. Okay, let's go ahead and make recipe number 2. You're going to need apples, cucumbers, and pineapples. So I have the cucumbers, that we have some apples, and we have the pineapple. What you want to do is go ahead and cut these apples into 4s, and then you'll cut your cucumbers in half, cutting off the ends, and we'll go ahead and bust down the pineapple and cut it into strips of probably 6 or 8. One of the things that I like to do is to cut off the ends of the cucumbers because I don't want to use it. It's the same thing that I do when I am making something. I cut the end off of the pineapple I also go ahead and cut around it and throw those in the trash. The pineapple, as far as the apple goes, I did not core them. I didn't even care to do that, just an extra step. I cut around the apple 4 times and just tossed them in the red bowl. So it's time to juice. Go ahead and throw in your cucumbers first because that's what's going to produce the most juice out of this whole thing. One thing I will say is if you guys have foam coming out, easily take like a spatula or something and just scoop it out. I did not do that. I was trying to show you guys the 2 juicing recipes that I am using from the groceries that I got in my grocery haul that was in the beginning of the video. So once I did the cucumbers, I went ahead and just put it into the red mixing bowl. I now am juicing the pineapples, and the pineapples produce juice as well, but not as much as the cucumbers. So that will be going in there next, and I also will be juicing up this juice into bottles as well, but I probably will not show that clip, as you guys already see what color it will be. It's either going to be green or yellow depending on how much cucumbers you use or how many pineapples you use. So I won't show what they look like both being in the bottle, but all I'm going to say is that this is a great recipe as well for juicing. Okay, so as you guys clearly can see, I just finished juicing, and yeah, I wanted to show you guys the juicing and then just like one recipe of something that we use from our grocery haul, but I just wanted to kind of like share with you guys the recipe and then the juicing so that you guys can see like that the groceries are not going to waste in this house. I am always making something, I am always baking something, I am always juicing, I am always using everything from my grocery haul. So like I said before, there is a playlist linked in my description box down below. Be sure to go and check it out. Also, be sure to hit that like button so that YouTube knows that you all really like this video, and make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you guys don't miss out on another video. Comment down below what was your favorite juice and if you would try either one. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for Vlogmas Day 21.